Microgreens are the new superfood, and people are trying to incorporate microgreens more and more in their diets. These beneficial edibles can be grown in the backyard of your house. But what exactly are microgreens? Hi, my dear viewers, myself Manishweta, and I welcome you to Relish Micro Nutrition Macro. In this video, we will cover about basic information about microgreens. Microgreens are the new flavor trend. Microgreens are trend today, and every person who is aware and cares about their health is growing some in their kitchen balcony or windowsill or even purchase to consume. That's the best thing about this superfood. You can grow it yourself. Growing tasty, sweet microgreens is something you must opt for this season. Microgreens are young green veggies in their tendermost stage that can be harvested in a matter of weeks. One of the coolest things about this is that microgreens can be used in numerous ways in any kitchen and included in any meal in countless different ways. Microgreens are not just easy to grow but are also easy to harvest. They germinate quickly, are flavorful, and extremely nutritious. Most microgreens are harvested after 7 to 14 days, when they are 1 to 3 inches tall at the first true leaf stage of development. Some of the harvested at the seed leaf cotyledon stage, which is the first set of leaves to emerge at germination. The true leaves will be the second set of leaves that develop and will better match the appearance of the plant's mature leaves. Use a pair of kitchen scissors to cut off the seedlings at the growing medium level as you need them. The microgreens will be fresh for at least 3 to 4 days in a Ziploc bag or sealed container in the refrigerator. The term microgreens is still not widely known in spite of their many positive characteristics such as helping to improve heart health, contain polyphenols, can be grown year-round indoors, easy and convenient to grow, and most importantly are high in nutrients, not to mention they are tasty and always brighten and elevate your dish. Freshly grown and picked microgreens, which are consumed within their short shelf life, serve our bodies with rich nutrients like potassium, iron, zinc, magnesium, and copper. As per the USDA National Nutrient Database, even the antioxidant concentrations are 40 times higher compared to other leaves. Please to be noted, microgreens are not sprouts. Often microgreens are confused with sprouts, germinated seeds that are eaten. Microgreens include several edible immature greens that are harvested with scissors when the plants are up to 2 inches tall, less than a month after germination. The stem, cotyledons, leaves of seed, and the first group of leaves are all edible. What are these microgreens rich in? Phytochemicals, cancer-fighting cruciferous, vitamins and minerals, potassium, zinc, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin B, antioxidants, anti-inflammatory properties. A few years ago, we were only able to eat microgreens in restaurants, but nowadays it became widespread in Western European and overseas households as well. Its popularity index jumped highly when the first research on nutrient content appeared in the US. Published research of Maryland University in 2010 showed that the average nutrient content of microgreens is 4 to 40 times higher than in the fully developed plants. These plant shoots are small but very nutritious. For example, compared to the adult red cabbage, there are 69 times more vitamin K, 6 times more vitamin C, and 40 times more vitamin E in the red cabbage microgreens, while they are also rich in antioxidants. You can add pinches of various microgreens to your salads or incorporate them into a dish and get the same nutritional value as eating 3 servings of vegetables. Many parents with small children also buy growing kits to bring nature and healthy food closer to their children. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start consuming microgreens, so called superfood, and enjoy the benefits of it. I'm sure you like the content and learned basic information about microgreens. To get more information, do subscribe to stay connected, and do not forget to like the video if you enjoyed watching it. Thank you, my dear viewers. Save natural resources, save Mother Nature.